Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract or replace icon of any Windows computer softwares. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one computer software on my desktop home screen, so you can see here. So by default we don't have any such option to extract or replace this icon directly. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Resource Hacker. And on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it and just click on this download. Now here you will get the two download options. One is the exe install file, that is the software installer, and one is the portable version, that is in the zip format. So you can download either one of this, whichever you like. So I will just get the zip version. You can get the installer version also. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it, extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the last one is the application. Double click on it. You can see the user interface of this software. So I'm not gonna discuss all the features this software gonna provide. Now what you can do is you can just drag the software here. So now you can see the first folder written with the icon. Just select this folder and just click on this left arrow icon. And now you will see tons of different icon size. So you can see here the last one is the largest. Whichever icon you want to extract or replace. Say I want to extract this size of icon of this software. So for selecting it, just right mouse click. And you can see the first option, save.ico resource. Just click on it. Now select your output folder and you can rename it if you want to rename it. So I'll just keep it as icon extract name. You can give any name, whatever you like, or you can just click on save. And now you can see we have finally extracted the icon of this respective software. So let me show you properties. So you can see it's a icon file, that is the .ico. So if you want to replace this icon with other icon, then you can do the same thing. Just right mouse click and you will see here replace icon. Just click on it. Now just click on this open file with new icon. So now let me select the different icons just to give you an example. I'll just select this Chrome icon just to give you an example. Click on open Chrome icons here and just click on replace. Now you can see we have replaced the software icon, and once you're done you can just click on the save. So by using this cool application named as Resource Hacker, you can easily extract or replace icon of any Windows computer softwares very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.